Alright, we got a 2013 Dodge Durango. We're going to be replacing the oil cooler housing. It's leaking right down in there. So first things first, you gotta take your air box off and then remove your intake. Got coolant leak running all the way down the back. Alright, you got your intake off. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts holding it on. And you got these 2 brackets on this side. Loosen that one. And then you can move this around. Alright, after you get your intake off, you need to take your lower intake off. So you take off all these, disconnect all your injectors and ignition coils, unplug your fuel line back here. And that should come right up. Oil cooler down there. Alright, disconnect your coolant hose from the back. Unplug your connectors. Take off all your bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can kind of pry up gently and then right on. Take your old O-rings off and clean all your surfaces and then install your new one. Use a fluid evacuator and suck up some of this coolant. Alright, you get it pretty cleaned up, then you're ready to install your new one. And install your new one, get it all hooked up. You can go ahead and pressure test it. Make sure you have no leaks. And then clean off your surface and put it back together. Alright, you got it all put it back together. Looks good.